Because I live in Texas, people always say, you got the best chili down there, what's your secret recipe? I said, well, they got two different recipes. You got the hard way of making it and you got the easy way. So they said, well, tell me the easy way. Well, this is the easiest way of making chili, and it turns out great every time. I got about 1.5 pounds of pork here. Put that in there. I got 1 onion I cut up. It don't matter if you use yellow or white, we use what's on sale. Put that in there. And this is that low sodium where you can make whatever kind of drink you want out of it, but right now we're just going to make chili out of it. Bloody Mary mix. Now to make it even easier, High Mountain Seasoning, they came out with this chili mixture. If you, for whatever reason, if you can't get that, then you use cumin and chili powder. I'm going to just put a little bit of that, then I'll adjust it. And then they got some Cajun seasoning. I'm going to dump a little bit of that in there. And I'm going to stir this up. That's about as complicated as it got. You can see this is a favorite pot. The handle broke on it, so we fixed that. My father-in-law did for me. That's stirred up. Now all you got to do is put a lid on it, and you don't see these lids very often either. It's got a built-in temperature thing and a little vent. So you watch it for a little while. When it starts to bubble, then you turn it down a little bit, and then you just stir it about every 15 minutes. You're going to cook it for about an hour and 15 minutes. Make sure the onions are tender. Adjust your seasoning, and it's ready to eat. It don't hardly get any simpler than that. Okay, we'll come back and show you what it looks like once it's done. Alright, here's the finished product with this chili. Now, we made it at the house, but you can see even after being frozen, it's still nice and thick. Really got a lot easier when High Mountain came out with that chili and taco seasoning for me, because it just didn't get any easier making a really good pot of chili. So hopefully you'll try it, and I know you'll like it, and then we'll get something else for you to try next time.